So this is actually the wig that I'm going to be braiding. And y'all don't pay me no mind. I actually took this picture for my reaction channel. If you have not seen my reaction channel, make sure to click the link in the description. So this is a lace frontal wig. It has tracks in the back and lace in the front. It's a 13 by 4. So the most important thing for me is to basically do around the ear first. Because no matter what style you wear, it all boils down to around them edges and around them ears. Because that's what's going to be covering up everything in the back. So that's what I did first. So this is how the back looks. These are regular old school box braids, aka dookie braids. I do have spaces in them because you have to do the whole entire head, and you don't want it to be too big. At least I don't, because y'all know I got a peanut head. You can always cover that up once you get towards the top. I did put beads on the end using the rubber band method. So I finished the whole entire head, and this is how it looks. And of course, I always tie down the edges so that, the edges could be slayed and slick. This is how she looks. I love her. Time for the install. So y'all can just watch me put it on from now. Oh, and here, this is how the back looks. See, all of that top part is going to basically cover it up. So you don't really have to worry about that too much. And this is a lot of hair, even for me.